Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you have a clean workspace and a soft cloth to avoid scratches on your device. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad S340 and unplug it from any power source. To remove the back panel, locate the screws on the bottom of the laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each of them, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. There are typically 8 screws, so make sure you account for all of them. Next, gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver. Start at one corner and work your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force to prevent damaging the plastic clips. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Begin with a visual inspection for any dust buildup around the fan and heatsink. This is crucial as dust can lead to overheating. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust particles. Remember to hold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup. If you're comfortable, you can also check the cooling fan. Ensure it spins freely and is not obstructed. If you find any debris, use the compressed air again to clean it thoroughly. Now, let's discuss the battery. If you want to replace it or just want to check its condition, disconnect the battery connector carefully. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and ensure everything is checked properly. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on, aligning it with the clips. Press down gently until it snaps into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier. It's essential to ensure each screw is tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. If you encounter any issues during reassembly or if you feel uncomfortable performing any of these tasks, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, which means you don't have to make any calls or travel. Just schedule a pickup, and we'll take care of the rest. Once everything is back in place, power on your device and check to see if everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any abnormalities, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. In summary, maintaining your Lenovo IdeaPad S340 involves a few essential tools and steps. Regular cleaning can prevent overheating and prolong the lifespan of your laptop, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.